Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to figure out how to safely download vectors for your commercial projects lately, you might have run into some unexpected roadblocks. In today's video, we wanted to walk you through a complete tutorial on sourcing commercial use vectors, but we ran into a major security filter issue when trying to access the platform's database. Specifically, our connection was flagged with a 403 error, stating that the request didn't go through because of a security filter. Because we believe in being 100% honest with you, we aren't going to make up steps or pretend everything is running smoothly if the servers are blocking access. Currently, we don't have verified user reviews or active page data to show you the exact step-by-step licensing workflow. If you are trying to log in and keep getting flagged by security filters yourself, your best bet is to start fresh from the homepage or reach out directly to their official support team to clear your IP. We're keeping a close eye on this, and as soon as the platform's security filters clear up and we can verify the latest commercial terms and user feedback, we will bring you a fully updated step-by-step walkthrough. Until then, make sure to double-check any licensing agreements on the homepage before using any downloaded assets in your commercial work. Have you been locked out by these security filters too? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next update.